Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp stuck on connecting issue. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Let's start the video. Step 1. Check network and restart. First, make sure it's not a simple connection issue. For that, go to your settings and go to your Wi-Fi and switch between Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and after that restart your phone. And if you are still having the connection issue, move on to the next step. Step 2. Clear cache and storage. It's only for the Android user. If your iPhone user, skip to the step 3. So go to your settings, app and WhatsApp and storage and clear cache. Don't clear your data yet. It will clear all your details. Once tap clear cache, open your WhatsApp and see if it's loaded. If it's not, let's move on to the step 4. Step 3. If you are still facing the issue, let's reinstall the WhatsApp. For that, go to the WhatsApp and hold it for longer, and you can click the remove app. Once it's removed, go to the App Store and click the search bar and type WhatsApp and install the latest version, and this way you can. Step 4. Roll back to old and stable version. If reinstalling WhatsApp didn't help from the Play Store, let's try to install from the older version. For that, click on your browser and go to the site called apkmirror.com. Once site loaded, click on the search bar and type WhatsApp. There will be list of WhatsApp, and you can select the older WhatsApp at least couple of weeks and click that and download and install the WhatsApp and see if WhatsApp will be loaded. Step 5. Free some storage space. Low storage on your phone can block WhatsApp installing or finishing setting up, so that clear some storage. Go to the setting, click on the general and click the iPhone storage and check if you have any unwanted or unnecessary file. If you found, remove those and give some space to finish setting up for WhatsApp. If nothing helps, as a final step, go to your browser and contact the WhatsApp support. And that's it, our video. If it's helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.